Thank you. Yeah, let's bring that one in, down there, sort of thing. Let's do one over here. Maybe we'll just sort of swoop that into that one. Have that a little bit dark in there. Don't need it too bright there. There we go, that's quite nice, isn't it? I like that. I've made white, it's got the green and the blue in. Again, just strikes of colour in there. I'm going to start here. Just have that a little bit dark in there. Okay, come on, let's do it. I want them to sort of playing in with each other there. Oh, that's quite nice. A little bit more green on that one. Go over here. There we go. I'll just put a little bit of paint down here. Just tap this. Might add a little bit more. I'm just going to tap this on. Just tapping that on. There we go. Just pull this up. Pull that down into the misty part there. We're going to have some trees and stuff there as well. So I'm just going to pull down, I think, for the reflections tonight. Okay, I'm going to pull down like this and then swipe across. Yes, look at that. We've got some green and black here. Hopefully more to the green side. Obviously dark, yeah, that's nice. Could have used sap green, but I don't think it's quite the right colour, so yeah, this is nice. It's crazy, isn't it? Them little colours there, done that. It's quite mad, isn't it, really? Some happy trees. Some land and some happy trees. So we'll just make a little bit of land that comes across here. Doesn't have to be straight. You can have it coming round a bit closer, maybe. There. Little trees now here in the background. Some little tiny trees, bushes or whatever. Is there any over here? Yeah, there's some here. Poking in front of that mountain. There we go. Have that a little bit of flat there. There we go, just something like that come around. I'll use that brown so we can sort of come sort of like this. I'll tell you what, let's put a bit of a dark colour on there first. Something like that, just a little bit there. A little bit there. Again, let's do this. Something like that. And I'll put some brown on top of this. We'll just go somewhere like that. That one, we're not going to see much. But a little bit of brown. And we'll just reflect that there. Remember, these are just reflections, so something like that. Just going to pull that down a little bit there. Also, let's pull some of this dark down here. And then we just, well, pull that down as well. And I'll have to put a little waterline in there just to show. Oh, I just realised I missed something, didn't I? I missed the highlight colours. Can't have that. So yeah, there's something like, we'll go something like that. And this one, something like that. And hopefully they'll blend out quite smoothly. Just a little bit of colour there of the mountains, just a slight reflection. Yeah, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Just doing a little water line here. That's funny. Something like that. We'll just put a little bit of water. That looks nice. Thank you so much. Name the painting's going to come up soon anyway. Not quite yet, but just put some little water lines in here. So they're done. I'll come back down to there because I can't quite reach it. So I hit the bottom of this here, you see. There we go. So yeah, let's have a little bit of land. So you can come along here. So what we'll push up. Maybe we'll come to about there. Maybe it sort of comes round and then sort of like that. And then comes this way. There we go. We're just going to pull some of this colour down. We'll come back to this. This would be some reflections in the water. And then we'll do that little water line like we did there. I can't sing to save my life, but yeah. See what happens. Yeah, I'm just gonna really thin this paint down, just put some little, we could probably have some little bushes and stuff there as well. We'll just have a little bush there. I'm gonna come back and put some highlights on this as well. Just lift up a little bit there. Just a little bit of colour on these little twiggy tree things here. Noticed I've crossed some over as well. I ain't got them just single. I just wanted to cross some over. Little bits of colour here and there. Oh, there's a little bush there. Some little sort of. There we go, look at that. But that bush, you might see a little bit there. Just a few little things there. I'm going to pull this down now. And then just go across. Just a slight reflection of. Here we go. Come on. There's going to be a few touch-ins by the looks of it, but whoa! Yeah, I got some touch-ins to do, but it's fine. It's just acrylic around the edges. Yeah, that looked awesome in a frame, I think. That would definitely look awesome in a frame. You can just imagine just cruising around there in a little lake, in a boat. Little cruise down there, come around the bend. There's the mountain. Carry on.